If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
So when it comes to mulches in your garden, pine needles, or pine straw as the industry calls it, may be one that you look past because of rumors or myths that you've heard about it. Now, true enough, pine needles on the tree are acidic. They're about a 3.5 on the scale of acidity. But when they fall on the ground, and by the time they neutralize or break down into a usable soil, they neutralize to a 7, which is where we want our vegetable garden soil to be on the pH scale. So what we can do with this, it's an incredible mulch that takes a number of years to break down. This here I brought over from across the street last fall when the neighbor was cleaning out his garden, and they put a lot of leaves and pine needles on the curve for city pickup. Well, this is very, very important to me, and it makes very good mulch. It's a very dense but porous application which we can put around our tomatoes or whatever, peppers, whatever we're planting. It holds moisture in, really thick, so it will reduce the amount of weeds coming up, and it looks just like horsehair, this particular variety of pine needles. So just because you have pine needles, now if you can use them in your garden. Now, one thing you want to be cautious about is if you do have a pine tree, they drop their needles a lot. There's a good amount of needles under a pine tree. You don't want to rake all of them till the soil is bare. Nature provides a certain amount of barrier for the tree by dropping its own needles around its root system. So we don't want to scrape it down to bare soil. We want to leave some, but you can remove a good amount and still have enough for the tree but benefit you as well. So these will take a number of years to break down, and they will serve a great purpose as mulch in our garden.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.